안녕하세요. Hello guys. In this video, I'll talk a little bit more about the sounds of Korean consonants. Among the sounds, students have difficulties in telling or differentiating plain consonants and aspirated consonant and tensor consonants. So first, listen to me carefully. 그, 크, 끄, 드, 크, 뜨, 브, 프, 뿌, 스, 스, 즈, 즈, 쯔. Okay. And first two, I will talk about first the two categories. 그 in garden, 그 in cake, 드 in doctor, 트 in teacher, 브 in boy, 프 in paper, 스 in cider, 즈 in jam, 즈, 츠 in cheese. The next category is, before I move on to the next category, even though I said something in the Korean word 가방, but the student says, teacher, I cannot recognize whether you said 가방, but I heard 가방. But it's very natural. If we say the letter only 그 and 크, even Koreans cannot recognize. But uh, no, I cannot recognize. I mean, it's not easy to recognize exact sound because let's say even though the speaker says 그, 가, however, this plain consonant at the moment it came out from the speaker's mouth, it is affected by air. So when the sound reaches the listener's ears, it was already affected by air, so it sounds like a does that make sense? That's why it can be confusing. So rather than letter by letter, I will tell you you have to memorize of the spelling because for English word bag we write 가방, not 가방. So when you hear a Korean say 저는 가방이 있어요, I have a bag, then when you write this sentence, even though you heard 가, but you have to write I have 저는 가방이 있어요, like this. Does that make sense? Okay, 자, I will move on to the next category. Next category, doodling function. 자, this time, 크, 크 and 끄. Okay, not a good idea. 자, 갑시다. Let's say, okay. 자, here, this is a 크 sound, this is a 크 sound, but this 크 sound is 트. But this 크 sound, this sound is not exactly same입니다. It's not exactly same. Cake, 스키, 아니죠, 스키. So, this 크 is 크, this 크 close to this sound입니다. Next, I will show you everything and then I will use doodling. Okay, then it will be a good idea. 자, table 2, strike 2. Sounds the same, exactly same? Probably not. Here, two is this two. Strike, the baseball coach. Strike 2 sounds like a little bit tenser than this one. So this sound. 자, paper. This is p sound, but this is spoil. Spoil. You don't say spoil. I spoiled. You don't say it like that. Spoiled. So, close to this sound. And this one. Okay. This one is ski. However, this was not sour. You say sour. Oh, sour grape. Not sour grape. Sour grape. This is this one is also C. Oh, S. And then C. You say C. This one is also 씁니다. Okay? And this one gem or two and Z. Two and Z. I could not find this one. Example for this one. I'm sorry about that. But anyhow, I will say one more time. two and 쯔, 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 쯔. 오케이, 여기까지. 감사합니다. 감사합니다.